Hey guys, Joey here with Joe's RV Tech DIY. Today we're working on a Winnebago Spirit. We're actually winterizing it. Sometimes we make videos on where the freshwater drain location is because sometimes people have a lot of problems locating them. On this specific unit, it's actually inside the RV. You come in here, and there's my dad.
Mike.
There's my dad, Mike. As you can see, freshwater drain is here, down there on the bottom next to the water pump itself, and this is the actual tank itself, but they do leave a little opening right there for you to get through. So under the bed, guys, that's the location of it. My dad helped me figure that out while we were winterizing this RV. We put antifreeze in all the faucets, the toilet, everything. So make sure you put your antifreeze in your low points when you do this. Don't forget to put it in your low points, and don't forget to put it in your P-traps too. Pour some in there for your shower P-trap, your kitchen faucet P-trap, and your bathroom P-trap for the sinks as well. Very, very important that you drain the freshwater tank, because if that freezes, it is very expensive to fix on these Winnebago Spirits. So thanks for watching, guys. Be sure to subscribe. Till next time, we'll see you in the next video. Safe travels.